Hi, I'm Brian Carey of Cyber Triage, and this video is part of our Intro to Cyber Triage Lite series about using our free DFIR collection and review tool. You can download Cyber Triage Lite from cybertriage.com. In this video, we'll talk about importing a memory image into Cyber Triage Lite. There's other videos in this series that deal with collecting artifacts using our collection tool or importing a disk image. To use this feature, you need to have a memory image that was acquired from some other tool. You can then import it into Cyber Triage, and it will run a variety of Volatility version 2 modules to extract artifacts. Now, our collection tool and Volatility do different things, so there'll be some features in our UI that do not work with a memory image. But you can use this as a way to run Volatility without needing to memorize a bunch of modules. Let's do it. Launch Cyber Triage, and you'll get an interface such as this. Make an incident to store the host by choosing New Incident, and then choose Add New Host. You'll then be shown the options for adding data in. We're going to use memory image for this video. That brings you to a panel that allows you to enter a host name for the image and the path to the memory image. You can specify a volatility profile and KDBG offset if you know them, or you can use the auto detect feature. After pressing continue, you'll be given a list of data types to extract. You'll notice many are not checked, and that's because there aren't volatility modules to extract them. For reference, these are the modules that we currently are running. After pressing Start Collection, Cyber Triage will start to run volatility with the specified modules. The first pass will be detect the profile and offset. It will prompt you if volatility could not detect one. This can take some time. After data is extracted with volatility, you get the usual main UI of Cyber Triage, but you'll notice some of the data types will have a message that the data is not available from volatility. Well, that's it for this video. There are others in this series that cover other ways of getting data into Cyber Triage, and we'll soon be adding ones that cover the review and reporting phases. Subscribe to this channel for updates and more videos. You can download Cyber Triage from cybertriage.com. Thanks.